Hey guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. The S9 launch is round the corner. Samsung has confirmed that S9 will launch in MWC 2018. It is nearly 1 year since S8 launch. This is both my experience and also how S8 aged over a period of 250 plus days. The S lag is bad guys, yeah I know it is terrible and the battery life is also very poor. First let me talk about the pros of using Samsung Galaxy S8. I personally like the design of S8, it is one of the best looking smartphone of 2017. The device has glass bodies and metal frames. Be careful in using S8 or you can have a lot of scratches all over the phone. As you can see, I have a small discoloration near the volume rocker. The curved glass on the front seamlessly melts into metal frame. There are no sharp edges on the phone and it is very comfortable to use. I did not have any problems holding the device for 2 or 3 hours and watching movies continuously. The QHD Plus display is gorgeous to look at and is extremely sharp with great vibrancy. With no doubt it is the best display on the smartphones nowadays. The fingerprint sensor is addressed as the great flaw in S8 by many reviewers. It is weirdly placed but in my opinion you can get used to it after a few days. It is my go-to way to unlock the phone. Samsung also provides tons of other ways to unlock your phone. You can use iris scanner or less secure facial recognition to unlock your phone. Coming to the camera department, hands down it is one of the best camera out there in the market. The 12 megapixel dual pixel sensor is insanely fast to focus and the picture quality is pretty amazing. You have lots of video modes like slow-mo, 4K, hyperlapse. The video quality is pretty solid with good stabilization. If you are looking for amazing camera performance, S8 will be your choice. Samsung has done a great job in improving their software over the last couple of years. It is very clean and minimalistic to look, with icons and text are much more appealing. And there are nice little touches like infinity wallpaper, theme store and edge display. At first I thought Bigsby is half-baked and just can display your reminders, news feeds and social feed. Now with the latest voice assistant update, it is best when coming to controlling your phone with voice. You can ask Bigsby to perform anything on the phone. Hi Bigsby, go to settings and increase brightness. As you can see, it performs the task easily. Great work by Samsung on this department. Now let's talk about the cons of S8 after 9 plus months of usage. S lag is bad guys. I see a lot of animation lags while scrolling through the UI. There are also occasional hangs and I have to reboot the device. The device gets hot while playing games continuously for 30 plus minutes. I have to take a break to cool down my S8. I do not want my S8 to blow up like Galaxy Note 7. The weak and hollow sounding bottom firing speaker is another gripe I have with this phone. While playing games it can be easily blocked and it almost ruins the gameplay experience on S8. Plug in the AKG headphones, it is a whole different story. I am not an audiophile, for me the audio experience is great with the headphones. The other biggest problem Samsung has is RAM management issue. Samsung is so conservative in this department. S8 has lost to Moto C Plus in the speed test as it reloads the apps more often than low-end budget smartphone. Samsung could spend more time on improving RAM management on Galaxy S8. There are some occasional crashes while using stock apps like Gallery. Hope all the above mentioned issues will be resolved with Android Oreo update. There is one more concern I have with Galaxy S8, it is the battery life. The phone has terrible standby time. I lost about 8% of battery in just 6 hours. I have turned off always on display, edge screen and other unnecessary things to conserve my battery life. If you charge the phone it gets hot nowadays. This was not the case at the beginning. Nowadays I am getting only 3.5 hours plus of screen on time. I have to recharge my phone by evening. You should use the power saving modes and fast charging to quickly get some juice. But Samsung could have improved the battery life on Galaxy S8. Do I still recommend this phone? Yes, if you plan to use the phone for 1 or 1.5 years. If you think you can use the phone for 2 plus years, definitely S8 is not the best choice. It is a great phone, you will have great time with S8, but if you get annoyed by lags and occasional crashes, then you should buy some other flagship phones. So what is your experience on using Samsung Galaxy S8? Share your experience on the comment section. Subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.